Hi YouTubers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Uncle Pythagoras residing in. We are doing grade 11 mathematics. Today's topic is going to be a quadratic formula. We are going to show you how do we come about this formula from the quadratic equation. You are given the quadratic equation that goes like ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now what do? We are going to work thoroughly. Before you do anything, you take the constant on the other side of the equation on the right hand side. You are left with ax squared plus bx. Now from here, we are going to divide by a. If you divide here by a, you are going to be left with x squared. If you divide here by a, you are going to have a b over a x, which is equals to minus c over a. You do everything on the left hand side, that is going to be done on the right hand side. Now, coming back from here, now we are going to complete the square. The only term that is going to be affected is the middle term. When you complete the square, you take the coefficient of x, you multiply it by half, then you square it. So this is going to take place. It's x squared plus b over a, then plus, you take the coefficient of x, it's b over a, you multiply it by half, then you square it. What you do on the left hand side, you must also do on the right hand side. Plus b over a multiplied by half, all squared. Now here you'll be left with x squared plus b over a plus, when you multiply here, you're going to get a b over a over 2a it's all squared is equals to minus c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. How do we come about that? B times b squared is b squared, and then here a 2a is going to be 4 multiplied by a squared. This is how we came about. Now here we're going to find the LCD. Our LCD here, let me write it here. LCD is equals to 4a squared. Since we have that LCD as 4a squared, we are going to factorize this part. We are going to get x plus b over 2a all squared, which is equals to LCD. A goes how many times into 4a squared? It goes a and leave what? 4a. So you have minus c, which is going to be multiplied by 4a plus 4a goes how many times into 4a squared? 4a squared divided by 4a squared goes once. 1 times b squared is b squared all over 4a squared. Now we are going to take a square root on both sides. When you take a square root on both sides, we are taking the square root that side. We also take a square root here. 2 cancels, a square root. You will be left with x plus b over 2a. Now here we are going to have a square root of 4 is 2, a square root of a squared, it's a. It will be equals to over 2a. Then you put your square root sign here. Now the square root is no longer on both the numerator and the denominator. It's only on the numerator because on the denominator we have removed the square root by performing a square root. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of a squared is a. Now here is a matter of arranging. We start with a positive number, which is b squared minus 4ac. Now you take this b over a term on that side, then you have x is equals to, once you start to apply the square root, you introduce a plus or minus. So here we are sitting with a plus or minus, right? Which is going to be equals to minus b over 2a. It was positive b over 2a. You take it that side. It's going to be minus b over 2a plus minus a root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. You see, there is a common denominator, which is we can combine these two terms. In terms of x, you're going to say x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. They are all under 2a. This is how the quadratic formula comes from the quadratic equation. Now, why do we have to use this? We are going to introduce a new topic which needs you. Remember, this we are going to use it when we have a problem of factorizing. If you find that you can't find the factors, then you are going to result in having x equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, all over 2a. You are going to use this to factorize, to find the roots, to find the roots. This brings about another topic that is going to follow after here. We are coming for the nature of roots. If we are going to find the roots, that means somehow we need to find the discriminant. What is the discriminant? Discriminant equals to b squared minus 4ac. What we are going to look at here, we are going to look at this part. B squared minus 4ac here. It's a discriminant. That tells us about the nature of the roots. What does the roots take in the form of the discriminant? The discriminant is this part in the root side. Now we are going to carry on with the nature of the roots in the next topic. But for now, go and practice how to find the quadratic formula from the quadratic equation. Practice, because this it's needed in grade 11. If you know how to do this, then in the test or exam, when they say prove the quadratic formula from the quadratic equation, you are going to do everything that I have done here. Go back and practice. Make sure that you understand everything. Uncle Pythagoras signing out. Do not forget to like and subscribe and share it to others so that they can get plugged as well. Thank you very much, grade 11. I like you. I want you all to pass.